welcome to Drum TV. Today we look at what's trending on social media and what's on the front page of our newspapers. Hashtag Monday Motivation is trending today as many people woke up and tweeted inspirational quotes and photographs to motivate each other to make it through another long week. On the front page of The Citizen this morning, a very emotional and dramatic photograph of Palesa Madiba's mother in tears. Palesa Madiba is a 19-year-old UJ student who went missing in 2013 on Women's Day. Her remains were found in the backyard of her best friend's house, Tsidi Mkhwanazi, and many wonder who is the murderer of Palesa Madiba. Her remains were handed over to the family over the weekend. Once again, Palesa Madiba is making headlines in The Star in a headline titled Palesa Comes Home. They look at how Gauteng Premier David Makhura was present at the handing over ceremony when Palesa's remains were handed over to her family. David Makhura says whoever murdered Palesa will be brought to justice. However, many are wondering if Palesa Madiba's remains were found in the backyard of her best friend's house, why has no one been arrested yet? On the front page of the Business Day today, in a headline titled SANRAL to get bailout funds of 390 million rands a year, the Gauteng government and the Treasury will give SANRAL 390 million rands in revenue shortfall to make up some of their e-toll debt. However, experts say that this will take funds away from improving the public transport system in the country. And that's on the front page of today's newspapers. Follow me at @Sithole on Twitter or follow Drum at Drum Magazine. Also go to www.drum.co.za for more information.